How would you like to buy a new pair of hands? Hands that are soft, hands that are smooth, hands that are lovely. Well, you can have a new pair of hands in 14 days just by switching to mild, new Thrill.
The first day I washed dishes with Thrill, I knew it was pretty special. The way it made the dishwater feel silky. Then, in a few days, my hands began to feel better, less rough and dry. In 14 days, I was delighted. My hands really were smoother, almost like new. Now, even handling my sheerest nylons isn't such a worry.
Washing dishes with Thrill leaves hands smoother, smoother than any known dishwashing liquid. How much smoother? It's like getting a new pair of hands in 14 days when you switch to Procter & Gamble's mild, new Thrill.